Hello, my name is Naila Roji and I'm going to make Pregos. I know everybody loves Pregos. The ingredients are going to be different and I'm going to start. I have a stainless steel pan, very heavy, and I'm going to put salt. Now the salt forms an interface so the meat doesn't get stick to the pan. The pan is hot. I'm going to put the steak. I'm making it with fillet, and then as soon as it's done on one side, I will be turning it. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the steak to cook it on the other side. I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, and a teaspoon of green chilies. Some butter, about a teaspoon of butter. Okay, so now the fillet is done and I'm going to put it in the bread, in the Portuguese roll, and I'm going to put all the gravy in the bread. With the green chilies and the garlic sauce. I'm spreading the garlic and the green chilies all around. Okay, and the sandwich is ready. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.